Here I've got Zopo Speed 7, and let me show you how to enable portable hotspot on the following device. So at first open list of all applications, find and pick the settings. Now under wireless and networks tap on more, and then go to tethering and portable hotspot. Simply tap on Wi-Fi hotspot, and then if you would like to activate it, if you would like to share your network with other devices, click on the switcher to turn it on. And that's it. Here you can notice the icon that your portable hotspot is active. If you would like to set up your Wi-Fi hotspot, simply click on this tab, this icon, and now you can change the network name, so simply delete the current one and enter a new one. Click on save to do it. So we've just changed the name, but if you would like to change the password as well, open it one more time, tap on show password, delete the current one, and enter a new one. Just remember that your password must have at least 8 characters. And once it's done, simply click on save. The changes has been updated, so that's it. Now you can share your network with other devices. If you would like to switch it off, just tap on the same icon as in the beginning. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.